If you want to reset or change your Microsoft account password on your Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, first you have to sign into your Microsoft account and go to the account page. Now look for the change password option and select it. Now choose your email and Microsoft will send your verification code on your email. Check your inbox and enter the code here and hit verify. Now you are on the change password page. Enter your current password, then type your new password and confirm it by re-entering. Once you're done, press save. It's successfully changed. And you may have to sign in again with your new password and you can save it to your Google. And that's it. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.